If your Photoshop layer says index next to its name and looks locked, don't worry, nothing is broken. It simply means your image is in index color mode. That mode is used to reduce the number of colors in an image, usually to keep file sizes small for things like web graphics or GIFs. But the trade-off is that Photoshop disables a lot of normal editing features like adding new layers, painting, deleting elements, and using many adjustments. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove the index from a Photoshop layer and restore full editing access. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and quick fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, take a look at your Layers panel. If you see the word index beside the layer name, that confirms the document is in indexed color mode. You may also notice that the layer is locked and a lot of your tools are grayed out. That's because Photoshop is limiting the file to an index palette, usually with a maximum of 256 colors. To fix this, go up to the top menu bar and click Image. From there, hover over Mode. A submenu will open and you'll see a check mark next to indexed color. That check mark is the key sign that your file is currently in the wrong mode for normal editing. Now click RGB color if you're editing for screen use, social media, or general photo work. If you're preparing the file for print, you can choose CMYK color instead. Once you click the new mode, Photoshop will convert the image from index pixels into a standard editable color format. You may see a warning prompt, and if that happens, just confirm the change. After the conversion is complete, look back at the Layers panel. The word index should disappear and your layer will usually change to layer 0 or sometimes background. More importantly, your editing tools should now come back to life. Brushes, eraser tools, adjustment layers, filters, layer masks, and other features will be available again. This is the main difference between index color and normal color modes. Index color is useful for lightweight files, but it is not ideal when you need flexibility. So if your goal is to edit freely in Photoshop, converting to RGB or CMYK is the correct fix. If you still can't edit after switching modes, check whether the layer is simply locked as a background layer. In that case, double-click the layer and convert it into a regular layer. But in most cases, just changing from index color to RGB is all you need. And that's it. You've successfully removed the index from your Photoshop layer and unlocked the full set of Photoshop tools again. If this helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more Photoshop troubleshooting tutorials like this one.